This video is on similar triangles. Similar triangles can be proven similar by three postulates. Angle, angle. That means if you say two angles are congruent, then the third angle is locked into place because all the angles sum to 180. Side, side, side. If triangles are similar by side, 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 then the three sides have to be proportional. Side, angle, side. It's the side and the angle included between the sides that has to be congruent. So the sides are proportional and then congruent. I'll show you three examples. If triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are congruent. Here's the two things that have to happen. Their corresponding angles have to be congruent or the same, and the sides are proportional. So we're going to try and prove these triangles similar by side, side, side. So here's what you do. You line up the sides from smallest to biggest. So in the first triangle ABC, I'm going to do 3, 3, 7, 9. And I make fractions with the sides that I'm hoping to be proportional. So that's the other triangle, DEF, and I'm going to line up the sides smallest to biggest. 12, 28, 36. In order for these two triangles to be proportional or similar by side, 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 all these proportions have to equal the same ratio. And if I reduce them, they all equal 1/4. So these triangles are similar by side, side, side. To make a similar statement, you can do triangle ABC is similar, this is a symbol for similar, to DEF. Okay, the next way to prove triangles are similar is by angle, angle. The deal is that at least two angles, they have to give you at least two angles so you can figure out the third angle. And triangles are similar if their angles are congruent. Triangles are similar. So this picture, GHI, gives me 50 and 70, and that would add to 120. So this third angle I would be 60 degrees. And those would all add to 120. J and L similarly are 50 and 70. They add to 120, so K is 60. So these are similar by angle, angle. To write a congruent statement, you could do this. G, H, I. And then you have to put the right part. So if I choose GHI, I have to do you see this? That G is 50, so the one that's 50 is going to be the same. So that's J. And then H is the second one, and H is 70, so that has to be L. So you have to orient them or flip them around in the right direction correctly. And then I is 60 and K is 60. So that's how you do the congruent statement. Here's a third way to try and prove that triangles are similar. This way is called the angle between the side angle. So side, angle, side. So we see that these 40-degree angles are matched up. So we need to see if the sides are proportional. So I do it again. I line up the sides smallest to biggest. So 8, 10. And then on the other triangle, I do smallest to biggest. 24, and 30. And you can see these reduce to, they both reduce to 1/3. So because they are proportional, or they reduce to the same number, these triangles are similar by side, the angle between that, or the angle that includes that, the angle that touches both sides, side angle side. Here's a triangle congruence statement. MNO is similar to PQR. That's it.